What's up, traders? It's a boy Natsu. Welcome back to the new Money Wave FX group channel. So today, guys, we have US30. So looking at US30 is that I see buy side liquidity is taken out, price came back down, taking out this low, making it a bearish market structure shift. Currently now we have an FEG. I'm just gonna set my reminder on that FEG. Add my reminder. I've just added my reminder. The reason being, I'm waiting for an entry point regarding that FEG. As soon as we get an entry point on that FEG, we're taking those sellers. We're selling hard, guys. We're selling hard. So I want us to talk about some things, guys, like the importance of having a trading plan. You know, the importance of having a trading plan in a trading journal. You know, so I'm just gonna show you guys my trading journal right now. So guys, welcome to my trading journal. This is my hardcover 96 page. So this is my trading journal, you know, where I record each and everything, like my lessons, you know, the mentorship that I did, I've recorded over here. As you guys can see, these are the trades that I took. This is my trade records. I have to keep recording, see whether my strategy has been working or what kind. So on my trading records, I have a whole mentorship lesson that I took from ICT. Like everything that I learned, it is here in this trading journal. It is important for traders. Like this, that's the one thing that, like when I started trading, I did not have. Like I started trading for so long and not knowing on how to have a trading journal or on how to record or journal my trades. So as soon as I did my ICT mentorship, which is for free, guys, which is for free. I was mentored by ICT. I did the 2022 model. So you guys, if you're looking for mentorship, you can go, man. Never buy courses from these people, bro. Go to ICT, use to ICT's YouTube channel, and search for course and search the best course that you can find on that YouTube channel, gang. I'm telling you, you know, I've learned everything, the power of 3, the FEGs, the displacements. Like I've learned everything. So this is the new month of April. This is where I recorded my trades. As you guys can see, my lessons from those trades. And I'm just waiting for market to do its thing over there, guys. But back to the trading journal. The importance of having this thing, guys. The importance of having a trading journal is very important. Like you get to record your journey, you get to share, like you get to find your flaws and your perfections, you know. It's important for one to have those things. I've struggled for years on how to come up with journaling my trades. No, if I journal everything. I don't want to lie with you guys. I journal everything from my trades to my losses to my wins to my consolidations. I journal everything. Since this is the new month, like I took a trade some last week here and I made 548 profit. So yesterday I traded NASDAQ and I lost 1,189 that I lost yesterday, but it's fine. I will gain it back, you know. So the loss, I recorded it. So I'm just waiting for setup to play out so that I can trade again. And the pairs that I trade, guys, these are the only 3 pairs. These are the only 3 pairs that I trade, as you guys can see. US500, NASDAQ and US30. Those are the only pairs that I trade because of why my strategy and the mentorship that I took was based on these pairs. The mentorship that I took was based on these pairs, gang. So it's a boy Natsu, man. Like, you know, it's very important on how to do these things. So let's just wait for trade setup and let me show you guys how we kill this site and how we do, man. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, remember, as I said, I'm waiting for the price to reach our FEG over here. So price hasn't reached our FEG yet, but like we're gonna have to wait and see, man, you know. So let me go on NASDAQ. As you guys know that I'm trading only 3 pairs and I'm only gonna trade 3 pairs now from now on today. So when it comes to NASDAQ almost hit our FEG, but then again it just crossed below and came back down. But I'm expecting the volatility in the next 5 minutes because of like there's a short event that's going to be happening in the next 5 minutes. So yeah, let's just see what the market does, man. I can even go to US500 So when it comes to the US500, US500 it is what it is because of NASDAQ. US500 does the movement first, then the NASDAQ follows, gang. So I'll just have to wait and see and update you guys later, man. Like if we are getting hit or what. Otherwise, we're not trading if the market does not reach our entry point. Okay, guys, we just entered some trades on US500. We just entered some trades on US500 over here. The market opened volatility. So NASDAQ moved. As you guys can see, I tried to open on NASDAQ, but XNAS kept on saying off codes. So I entered on US500. Now this thing of XNAS doing these off codes things bores me, bro. Like XNAS loves doing off code things. So I just entered on US500 because of like NASDAQ will do the same what US500 does. So which means I know what my daily bias is and I know what my directional bias is when it comes to the 15 minutes time frame. See you guys later, man. So guys, we are still pushing towards the downside over here. Since I said I entered over here on my MT5, I'll show you guys the screenshots how I entered. It's the same pair. I'll show you guys right now on the screen. Just check over here. There's the screen. So as I said, I entered on the US500 because of NASDAQ. So I'm just gonna check price action later on and see what price does, you know. But I'm expecting for price to push till take profit, man. Like we can see, just another hour or 2 hours. Let's wait for another 2 hours, you know, and see what happens. So when it comes to the US30, the US30 pushed towards the downside. You guys can see right now push towards the downside, taking out the first TP. But the problem with the US30 is that it didn't open our alarm. It didn't trigger our alarm, which is at the FEG. But we're just gonna have to wait and see, man. And let's see what we're gonna do with this price action, man. Yo, see you guys later. So guys, we hit SL. I don't know what's happening right now with TradingView. It was supposed to. We hit SL on the US500, as you guys can see over here. This is the US500 and we hit SL. See you guys next week, man. Like I'm done. This is NFP week.